Crews are still busy in Columbia County cleaning up after Irma swept through. News Channel 6's Ashley Campbell tracked down some of the damage.
Trees like this one on Keg Creek Drive are down all throughout Columbia County on power lines. It's leaving emergency crews busy and citizens in the dark.
It seemed no matter where you turned in Appling, it was the same scene. Downed power lines, snapped trees, and emergency crews clearing branches while Georgia Power worked to detangle power lines. After being closed since Monday afternoon, Ray Owens Road reopened shortly before noon on Tuesday. And if you think that scene looked messy, take a look at this one along Keg Creek Drive.
Ooh, it was rough. It was very rough.
The top of this electric pole left dangling in the wind. Columbia County's finest had to direct traffic to help keep drivers safe.
Everybody's staying together. My neighbor's got a generator, so he ran, I got a little freezer out here in the back, and he ran a cord over here to plug my freezer in.
Down the road, you could hear Chris Shelton's generator going as he cleared debris.
All the power lines are down, poles are broken in half.
While the storm didn't damage Shelton's house, it certainly hit his wallet since he works from home.
We have no power, no internet, can't use computers. All the telephones are down. So yeah, it's affecting everything.
Leaving an entire neighborhood working together to clean up what they can.
While the residents don't know when they'll be getting their power back on, we're going to be checking and we'll keep you updated. Reporting in Appling, Ashley Campbell, WJBF News Channel 6.
Yeah, just